Let us discuss this example. In this example, we have to find area of a given region using double integration. So we have this formula to find area. The formula is very simple. Double integration dA. There is no any function. Getting? So double integration dA. dA means what? Either dx dy or dy dx. If we consider a strip parallel to y-axis, we should write dy dx there. And if we consider a strip parallel to x-axis, we should write dx dy there. Okay. So let us solve this problem. First of all, we will find the region of integration and then we find its area. What we have, let me write, we have the first curve y is equal to x square. Power of y is 1, power of x is 2, that means it represents a parabola. See, in the given question also they have mentioned it is a parabola. Power of y is 1, that means parabola is symmetric about y-axis. Y has a plus sign, so the parabola is symmetric about positive y-axis. Let me mention here a parabola symmetric about positive y-axis. Okay, positive y-axis. So I will draw a rough sketch of this parabola. So the parabola will be like this. Okay, I am drawing a rough sketch like this. Okay, so let me draw on this side also, which is symmetric about positive y-axis. This is the standard parabola. Obviously it passes through origin 0 0, I should mention here. So the first curve we have got. Let us consider the second curve. Y is equal to 2x plus 3. Here power of x is 1, power of y is also 1, that means it represents a line. Getting? How to find the line? We need to find any 2 points on a line, so by joining them we get a required line. Okay, so let me mention a line. So to find 2 points on a line, we draw table like this. Okay, in first column we take values of x, second column we take values of y, and in third column we get points x comma y. First I will put x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, we will have y is equal to 3. So the point is 0 comma 3. Now I will put y is equal to 0. If I put y is equal to 0 here, by shifting that 3 on this side minus 3, and by solving we will have x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So the point is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. So let us find these 2 points 0 comma 3. 0 comma 3, that means x coordinate is 0, so the point will be on y-axis. Point is here, right? And next is minus 3 by 2 comma 0. See, the y coordinate is 0, that means point lies on x-axis. Minus sign is there, that means so it is on negative x-axis. Minus 3 by 2 minus 0.5, so the point will be here. So let me join them by a straight line, so we will have a required line. Okay, I should extend this line further, so we will have line like this. Okay, so I think it is little bit cross. Let me draw it properly. Okay, it is cross, line is not proper, so I will draw it correctly. So we have line like this. I think it is more correct than previous. See, this line we have, this parabola we have, so they intersect each other, getting as two different points. So we need to know the points of intersection now. How to find points of intersection? Technique is very simple. We put one equation in second equation. So by solving, we will have point of intersection. Let me mention here y is equal to x square. This is a parabola we have, and we have y is equal to 2x plus 3, right? Okay, so let us find point of intersection. Let me do it here. To find points of intersection, we put one equation. Okay, y is equal to, I will put 2x plus 3 in second equation, y is equal to x square. Let us see what we will have. So I am putting 2x plus 3 there. So 2x plus 3 is equal to x square, right? After that, what will I do? I will take all terms on one side, that is x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we have got a quadratic equation. So we will find its factors, right? So x minus 3, that is, or therefore x minus 3, x plus 1. Okay, product is minus 3, sum is minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, our x will be 3 and x will be minus 1. So for x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 1, we will have the points of intersection. So now we will find the values of y also. There is no more space to write. Make a screenshot of it, then we will go further. See, I have shown region of integration here. Okay, so let us find values of y. For x is equal to 3. Either you can put here or there, doesn't matter. I'm going to put it there. So x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 9. So the point is, first point is 3 comma 9. So that means this point is 3 comma 9. Okay, 3 comma 9. For x is equal to minus 1, if I put there, so y is equal to 1. So the point is minus 1 comma 1. So this point is minus 1 comma 1. So in this way we found out points of intersection. After that we have to consider a strip. Either we have to consider a strip parallel to y-axis or x-axis. Okay, normally we consider a strip parallel to y-axis, so here also I will do the same. So I am going to consider a strip parallel to y-axis. So we will have strip like this. Okay, so I am showing it here. So let me mention that thing. Consider a strip parallel to y-axis. Consider a strip parallel to y-axis. So when we consider strip parallel to y-axis, we write y varies from and then we write x varies from. Let me write. So therefore, y varies from y is equal to y is equal to, and then we write x varies from x is equal to x is equal to. Okay, funda is very simple. Bounded below, bounded above, left to right. Strip is bounded below by a part of parabola whose equation is y is equal to x square. I should write y is equal to x square here. Strip is bounded above by a line whose equation is y is equal to 2x plus 3. So I should mention here 2x plus 3. After that, that strip will move like this parallel to y-axis and it will cover the entire region of integration. See, in left hand side, it should start at this point. Okay, so to cover the entire region, it will start here, it will move like this and it will go up to the last corner, which is 3 comma 9. Getting? So at this point, the value of x is minus 1. I should write minus 1. It will move like this, and to cover each and every point, it will go up to this point where the value of x is 3. So in this way, we got limits. So let us use the formula and let us find the area. So you know that our formula of area is double integration over s dA. So this is equal to, see, I should write now dy dx. Since we have considered strip parallel to y-axis, what are the limits of y? X square to 2x plus 3, right? And what are the limits of x? Minus 1 to 3. Let us solve it further. First of all, we will integrate with respect to y. Let us use this space. We have some space here. Let me remove it. It is not required now. Okay. Okay. So let us go further. So this is equal to minus 1 to 3. Integration of dy is y, you know. So this is y with limits x square to x plus 3 dx. Okay. See, this is equal to integration minus 1 to 3. I will put upper limit first. So 2x plus 3. After that, I will put lower limit minus x square dx. See, there is no more space to write. Make a screenshot of it. Then we will go further. So let us solve it further. Okay. So let us integrate. Integration of 2x to its constant. Integration of x is x square by 2. 2 we will get cancelled and we will have simply x square plus integration of 3 is 3x minus integration of x square is x cube by 3. Let me mention here x cube by 3 having limits minus 1 to 3. See, it is not required. Let me remove it. Okay, so we'll have more space to write. Let us solve it further. So this is equal to, I will put upper limit first 3. 3 square is 9. 3 into 3 9 minus 3 square, sorry 3 cube, which is 27 by 3 again. That means 3 cancel. We will have 9 again. Minus, I will put minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. Minus 3 we will have, and minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus minus plus. So this is 1 by 3. Okay. So this is equal to 9 will get cancelled. 9 only minus, we will have minus 2 plus 1 by 3. I will solve the bracket. Okay. So what will we have? 9 minus minus plus 2 minus 1 by 3. Okay. Let me solve it here. So this is equal to 9 plus 2 11 minus 1 by 3. Need to cross multiply, right? So 33 minus 1 32 by 3. I should mention square units here since it is an area. Okay, and units is not mentioned, so that's why square unit. This is a required answer. Make a screenshot of it, then we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.